Yo, what's the meaning of life? Let me break it down. It's like a treasure hunt, just look around. Work hard, play hard, yeah, that's the plan. But the secret's in the journey, not the where or when. We're all just chilling, trying to find that vibe. Making mistakes, yeah, that's how we thrive. Don't stress the why, just live the ride. From sunrise to sunset, let the good times slide. What's the meaning of life? It's laughter and love. Chilling with your crew, watching stars up above. It's tacos on Tuesday and ice cream on the go. It's all about the moments, not the things you know.